Miss Turner's class. You need help with homework? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you. It's Miss Turner's class. What about if you didn't understand something in class? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we are focusing on Module 3, Lesson 11, where we're going to continue our standard algorithm, but we're also going to incorporate a new concept. That's right, you guys. We're going to learn how to multiply using an area model. And I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like on slide 5. So here we go. On slide 5, as you can see, we're going to be solving this problem 534 times 7 two ways. We're going to be using our standard algorithm, and we're going to be using our new concept, area model. Let's go ahead and review our standard algorithm first, and then we'll be able to focus our attention on our area model. So remember, our standard algorithm tells us that we're multiplying our red circle by each of our triangles at the top, each of our blue triangles at the top. So what's the first number I'm multiplying 7 by? Who thinks they remember? Good, 4. What's 7 times 4? Fantastic, 28. I can't have two numbers in one place value, so what number is staying on the floor? Good, 8. And what number is being bundled to next door? Good job, 2. All right, next one, 7 times 3. What's 7 times 3? $21. Good. So is my answer 21, y'all? Is that what I'm going to put in my next place value? If you said yes, look carefully, y'all. Look carefully. What number is on top of the tens place? Yeah, 2 is on top, so we have to include that in our answer. So it's not 21, it's 21 plus 2 more. What is it? 21 plus 2. Good. 23. Which number is staying on the floor? Good. 3. And what number is going next door? Good. 2. All right, here we go. 5 times 7. What's 5 times 7? If you're getting stuck, look at your multiplication chart to help you. 5, your purple 5, and you're going down 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's 5 times 7? Good. 35. Is my answer just going to be 35 though, guys? No. Remember, we have 2 more on top. 35 plus 2 more. Good job. 37. So 534 times 7 is 3,738. Let's go ahead and do the same problem using our area model. So you'll notice that our area model is literally just a whole bunch of colorful boxes put together, and each box represents a different place value. My red box represents the hundreds place, my blue box represents the tens place, and my green box represents the ones place. What does my red box represent? Let's see who was listening. What does my red box represent? Good, it represents my hundreds place. And what does my blue box represent? Good, the tens. And what does my green box represent? Good, the ones. So now I know, same as with my standard algorithm, I'm going to be multiplying 7 by each number at the top. So I know I can fill in 7 because I'm multiplying 7 by all three of these numbers, all three of these place values. And I'm looking at the number 534. In the number 534, how many hundreds are in that number? Look carefully. What number's in the hundreds place? Yeah, 5. There's 5 hundreds in that number. So I know that in my first box, I'm going to put 500. What about my second box? How many tens are in the number 534? What number's in the tens place? Good. 3 is in the tens place. How would I write 3 tens? Good. 30. And how many ones are in the number 534? Yeah, just 4. And I know that this is correct because if I add them all together, 500 plus 30 plus 4, I get the number 534. Now it's time for me to multiply. 7 times 5 hundreds. What's 7 times 5 hundreds? How many hundreds is that? Let's start with 7 times 5. Here's my 7. Let's count down 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's 7 times 5? Yes, 35. So I have 35 hundreds. $3,500 bills. How much money is that? It's not just 35. Yes, good job. 3,500. All right, let's do the same thing for our tens place. 7 times 3 tens. Let's start with 7 times 3. Here's my 7. Let's count down 3. 1, 2, 3. What's 7 times 3? Good, 21. So I have 21 tens. It's not just 21. 21 $10 bills. How much money is that? Good, 210. All right, here we go. Here's our ones place. 7 times 4 ones. Let's start with 7 times 4. Here's my 7. Let's count down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's 7 times 4? Good, 28. And because I'm in the ones place, we're just going to leave it at 28. So here comes the easy part, you guys. Now that we've done the hard part by multiplying, all we're doing is just simply adding them up, starting in our hundreds, ending in our ones. So here's my hundreds place. I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. Here's the number that we got for our tens place. Going to go ahead and fill that in. And here's the number that we got for our ones place. We're going to go ahead and fill that in. Starting in our ones place, 0 plus 0 plus 8. What do we get? Good, 8. In our tens place, 0 plus 1 plus 2. What do we get? Good, 3. In our hundreds place, 5 plus 2. Good, 7. And in our thousands place, 3 plus nothing. Awesome, 3. Did we get the same answer? We most certainly did. So we are good to go. If you need more practice with this skill, please make sure that you are looking at your classwork and using them as examples. Until next time, bye guys.